Dear friends, everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete frequently visited sites on iPhone. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, be sure to also put your likes, and please write your comments after watching this video. So, let's be friends by you to start our topic. Please open up Safari. And next, when you are, let's say, on some website, to open some new website, you will need to click on this two-square sign on the bottom right. Then click on the plus sign, and it'll take you to a new page. And here you will be able to see different sites, video suggestions, and so on, something that you either visit frequently or it will be recommended for you. In order for you to remove these frequent visitors, you have to scroll down to the bottom of this page, click Edit. And now, folks, find this option. Click on it to disable it. In this way, you will quickly and easily disable the frequently visited sites on your iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful and that it helped you, friends. Please don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to the channel, and write comments. Take care.